Let's import Legacy Pro project inside NECTO Studio. First of all, navigate to the package manager. After that, search for any of those Legacy Pro libraries. After that, install any of those Pro libraries inside NECTO Studio. Then, make sure to create a hardware setup with this particular Legacy Pro library. Navigate to the Setups wizard. Then click on the New button in the upper right corner. Then make sure, while searching for a proper compiler, make sure to click on the Advanced option of the one particular compiler and make sure to choose a proper SDK version. Click Save and then click Next. Finally, finish with Setup configuration. Make sure to install any package which is necessary to complete the setup. Make sure to rename the newly created setup. And finally, you will be able to open Pro project inside NECTO Studio. Navigate to the Open project. Copy the project path. Make sure to open the proper file. And make sure to choose this hardware setup we just created. And here it is. You have successfully imported Pro project inside NECTO Studio.